Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see slogans on Republic Day. 1. East or West, India is best. 2. Give a big cheer, Republic Day is here. 3. We are Indians, firstly and lastly. 4. We are proud of this land, so together we stand. 5th, our constitution is our power. 6. I love my freedom. I respect my freedom. 7. One nation, one vision and identity. 8. One flag, one land, one heart, one hand. 9. If you want to live with freedom, love your country. 10. I salute the real heroes who gave me freedom. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.